Okay, we were building confidence intervals using the standard normal table. In our last example, we had a sample of size 35, and we had the population standard deviation 3.5. Those are values that met the conditions for standard normal. And building a 95% confidence interval, the z alpha over 2, or z sub 0.025, was equal to 1.96. And for standard normal, you can almost remember this value for 95%. It's always the same for standard normal, but it comes from the standard normal table. Now, this part of the confidence interval was our margin of error. And we calculated that value to be 1.96 times 3.5 divided by the square root of 35. So that ended up being 1.16, our margin of error. Now here's how you would get that value in Excel. Then I'm going to go up and select any cell I want to program, and then the symbol here, f sub x, will allow me to access functions, and it starts out with most recently used functions. But to get where we want to be with this, I'm going to go down and open up the menu for statistical functions. And then I'm looking for the word confidence. There's two of them, confidence.norm and confidence.t. We're working with the standard normal distribution, so I'm going to select this function and then hit OK. Now it's asking me for my alpha value. I have a 95% confidence interval, so my alpha is 5%. So the way I'm going to enter that is put in a 0.05 and then move the cursor down to standard deviation. They're asking for the population standard deviation, as you can read down here. And that was 3.5. And then it wants the sample size, and my sample size is 35. So I'll hit OK, and the number that appears in the cell is my margin of error. And that is 1.15953, which is approximately 1.16. I can use Excel to give me a value for the margin of error. So I would subtract that margin of error value from the sample mean to get my confidence interval.